Hello, I'm Peter from First Maths. Today we're going to be looking at mental models to add and subtract. The resources you need: number lines, worksheet on missing numbers, mental learning objective. I can count on in steps of 2, 5 and 10. My mental learning task. Today your teacher will count on or back in different numbers. What are they counting on or back in? You should pause the video now to listen to your teacher count. Here is a number line from 0 to 50. Solve this question. 10 plus 20 equals. You could do 10 plus 20, which would make 30. Or of course you could start at 20 because it's the bigger number and make one jump of 10 to make 30. Solve this question. 30 take away 20. This time you must start with the bigger number, 30. And you can take away 20. You could take away it if you do it in one big jump to 10. The 30 take away 20 is 10. Or you could do it in 2 small jumps of 10. 30, 20, 10. Solve this question. 20 plus 30. You could start at 30 and you could add 20 to make 50. Or you could start at 20 and add 30. 10, 20, 30 to make 50. So this question, 50 take away 20. We start at 50 and we have to count back 20. We could count back 20 in one big jump to make 30, or we could start at 50 and count back in 2 small jumps of 10 to make 30. However, often you are adding or subtracting where one number is a tens number and one is not. What do? Pause the video and discuss it with your teacher. How would I solve 30 take away 12? What would be your strategy? Pause the video and explain it to your teacher. "30 take away 12. I have a number line. What do I start on? 30. Well done. What do I do next? This is the big question. What do we do next? We take off a 10. So, because here is a 10 from the 12. So we take off the 10. So, we go there. What do we land on? What do we land on? We land on our 20. Well, 20, well done. How much more do we have to subtract? We need to look at the 2, don't we? That's right, we take away 2. What number have we landed on? 20. Take away 2 is? That's right, 18. We finished on 18. Try to solve the next questions in the same way. Using this blank number line, solve 30, take away 17. Pause the video and solve the problem. 11 plus 34. Pause the video and solve the problem. 39, take away 21. Pause the video and solve the problem. You can draw small jumps for each 10. However, you can also draw one big jump for all the 10s. Remember to put the big number first when adding. This is much more efficient. When you want to add 10 and 23, how do you do it? Pause the video and tell your teacher. Is there another way to do it? Pause the video and tell your teacher that way. Which is quicker and easier, and why? Show me both ways of adding 10 and 23. You could start on 10 and add something to make 33. Or you could start on 23 and add something to make 33. Adding 23 plus something makes 33. What a two ways. I can count on in steps of 2, 5 and 10. This is the main learning objective. I can use these sequences in adding and subtraction problems. I can practice putting the larger number first when adding. When adding and subtracting, break down numbers into manageable parts. This is the main learning task. Copy and complete. Complete this sum in 3 different ways. When you have finished, throw a dice twice to make 2 numbers, add them together, or find the difference between them. Pause the video to complete these tasks. I can use these sequences in adding and subtracting problems. I can practice putting the larger number first when adding. Preliminary. How did you solve the problems? Which is easier to do? Pause the video to explain it. 32 plus 15 or 15 plus 32. What is the easier way to add? Pause the video and explain. Review of a key idea. When adding and subtracting, break down numbers into manageable parts. Do you learn this today? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to know when I'm uploading my next video, and press the bell to be notified. Also, don't forget to press the like button to show me you have liked this video and you have liked learning with me. I look forward to seeing you again in my next video. Have a great day. Bye.